SDELEY Machinery innovating modern livestock solutions. Henan SDELEY Machinery operates from a 100,000 square meter industrial park in Anyang, China, Sansient capital with 100 million RMB total investment and 50 million RMB registered capital. Technological leadership 100 plus engineers. Our expertise turnkey farm projects. From design to installation. Core products: automated poultry cage systems, smart environmental control systems. Cloud IoT smart control system features real-time remote monitoring via smartphone/PC, stable automated environment control. SDELEY is committed to becoming a global leader in livestock equipment through persistent innovation.